We have Sankranti holidays on 9th January to 16th January. School will be open on 17th January of Monday. Okay. So in this pandemic situation, we cannot go outside. Don't roaming outside. Okay. If you will get, your family will suffer. If you will get COVID-19, your family will suffer. Don't go outside. Don't roaming so much of members. Okay. Next, kites. When you are flying kites, take care. Somebody going out upstairs of the house. Terrace లో ఫ్లై చేస్తున్నాం. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ చూసుకోండి. ఇంటెన్షన్ మొత్తం కైట్ మీద ఉంటుంది. సో ఇంటెన్షన్ మొత్తం కైట్ మీద ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి బ్యాక్ సైడ్ వెళ్తాం. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ వాల్ స్మాల్ ఉంటుంది. ఛాన్సెస్. సో బీ కేర్ఫుల్. అండ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ వైర్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. మనకు మన హౌస్ నుంచి ఇట్లా ఎలక్ట్రిక్ వైర్స్ వెళ్తున్నాయి. మనం చూసుకోకుండా టచ్ చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. లేకపోతే ఈ కైట్ దానికి టచ్ అవుతుంది. టచ్ అయినప్పుడు దాన్ని టచ్ చేయకుండా హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలని ట్రై చేస్తాం. బ్యాడ్గా టచ్ కావచ్చు. సో బీ కేర్ఫుల్. ఓకే, బీ కేర్ఫుల్ అబౌట్. అంటే ఇట్లాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్స్ సో మెనీ టైమ్స్ జరిగినాయి. ఇలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్స్ సో మెనీ టైమ్స్ జరిగిన పాస్ట్లో పేపర్స్లో చాలాసార్లు చూస్తుంటాం కదా, అదే చెప్తున్నాను. సో ఈ పాండమిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో కూడా ఎక్కువ మంది గ్యాదర్ అయిన ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళకండి. ఫస్ట్ టైం షుడ్ వేర్ ద మాస్క్. Okay, give your advice.
Objective.
Right. What is work?
1 plus 2.
What is work? What is the energy? Okay. What is the formula of work? W equal to F into what is W? Work. What is F? What is S? So force into displacement is called work. Force into displacement. Okay. What is the SI units of work? Joules or Newton meter or joules? Newton meter or joules? See, energy are two types. One is the kinetic energy, another one is the potential energy. Kinetic energy and
Potential energy.
first we learn about the kinetic energy. See here, one object is here is there one object. You push the ball. You push that ball. After collision, what will happen? It moves some distance. It moves some distance. See. First, situation 1. It moves some distance. This much of distance. Kinetic energy depends on both mass and speed. Mass and speed. See. One inclined plane. Do you know inclined plane? Slope. The same metal bar, same object thrown from inclined plane. Then what will happen? Collide the object and move some distance. What is the difference between in two situations? In situation 1. In situation 1, it moves some distance. In situation 2, it more distance. It moves more distance. See, there is so much of inclined plane. The metal ball will come and touch the object and it will go till there. So much of distance. What will happen in three situations? Same metal ball, same object. What will happen? Force. Is there no big ball? Here is there same metal ball. Same. What will happen? How can it moves very long? Objects will move very long due to
Acceleration.
how can the metal ball gain some energy? Where did it gain? It did not give now. It did not give, but it gave. Who did give?
Ball.
Metal ball. Where is the place situated? It gains according to their place. It gains some energy. See. Here, one more example. Metal ball is very big size of metal ball. Small size of wooden block. Small size of
Wooden block.
If you thrown from the inclined plane, what will happen? Collision and wooden block moves very long. also increases with an increase in the object's mass. If you object's mass will increase, object's mass will increase, what will happen? Kinetic energy also increase. Kinetic energy also increase. Kinetic energy. Kinetic
Energy.
So kinetic energy means see in your textbook, if you touch the metal ball gently, it moves some distance, or if you touch with force, it moves more distance. So W is equal to Fs, we know work formula. W is equal to F into S. F into S. So I can write F is equal, S is equal to, do you know V square minus U square is equal to 2AS formula? We have three formulas, three accelerated formulas. V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to
U plus AT.
What is V?
Velocity.
What is U?
Acceleration.
Initial velocity.
What is V? V is the velocity. U also velocity. What is the difference U and V?
Initial.
U is the initial velocity. V is the final velocity. U is the initial velocity. V is the final velocity. What is A?
Acceleration.
T?
Time.
Time period. S is equal to UT plus of AT square. S is equal to UT plus of AT square. What is S?
Speed.
Distance, not speed. What is S?
Distance.
Distance. What is U?
Initial velocity.
T?
Time.
A?
Acceleration.
V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. V square minus U square is equal to
2AS.
what is V?
Velocity.
What velocity here?
Final
velocity. What is U?
Initial velocity.
A means
Acceleration.
yes sir?
Distance.
This is the three accelerated uniform accelerated formulas. Uniform accelerated formulas. So we take V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So I want this value. I want this value. Transport this. V square minus U square. Yes. 2A into no? It will product no? 2 into A into S. 2 into A into
Yes.
so when you transport to 2A, it will divide. Okay? So we know F is equal to MA formula. F is equal to
MA formula.
what is F?
Force.
What is M?
Mass.
What is M?
Mass.
What is A?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. So we can write W is equal to MA. What is W?
Work. Mass.
What is W?
Work.
Weight also. Weight. W is equal to weight. M means mass. G means
Gravitation.
gravitation. Acceleration due to gravity.
Gravitation.
What is my weight?
60.
70 My weight is 70 kgs. What about my mass? 7, because W is equal to mg. So how can we write G value actually 9.8 meter by second square. 9.8 meter by
second square.
we can take 10 instead of 9.8. We can take so into 10. So 7 into 10. My mass is 7. My weight is 70 for the air. If I go on moon,
7.
what will be change here? Huh? What will be change? I am checking there. My weight. What will happen? Will increase or decrease? Decrease. Will? What will decrease? Weight or? Weight will decrease. Mass? What about mass? Did not change in every way. Mass did not change. My mass is always kgs. My mass is always 7 kgs. My weight is depend upon gravity. Acceleration due to my weight is depend upon gravity. See, W is equal to Fs now. See, W. F value M into A. Can I write? F value MA into S. F value MA into S. Okay? So I can write that. S value V square minus U square by
2A.
V square minus U square by
2A.
A get cancel. Is it? Sir, A can get cancelled. I can write half before. This 2 is there, no? 1 by 2, no? V square minus
Square.
What is U? What is U?
Initial velocity.
Initial velocity. There is any speed of initial velocity?
Initial velocity is
No speed. It will come with 0
0.
in our experiment. See this here too it will start with 0. 0. No, U value 0. You can write here 2 is equal to 0. Then I can write half. This is the formula of kinetic energy. We can write shortcut kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Mass into speed square. Half here see half mass into speed square. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. M is mass, v is equal to speed or velocity. Kinetic energy is measured in joules. Energy also no. Energy also measured in joules only. When mass of the moving object increased 2 times, its kinetic energy will also be double. Moving objects increase 2 times. moving objects increase 2 times. What about their kinetic energy? That will also double, increase 2 times. That will also. Okay. See, there is example. The mass of the moving object increased 2 times. The metal ball is increased 2 times. What will be their kinetic energy? Double. If mass changed, if will increase, kinetic energy will increase. If speed change, if it is increase, kinetic energy will also increase. If it is decrease, kinetic energy also decrease. When velocity of an object is increased twofold, then its kinetic energy will increase 4 times. Twofold velocity will increase twofold. Then kinetic energy will increase 4 times. If it increase 2 times, v square, no? It will increase double. Moving object passes kinetic energy by which they can do what? Moving objects passes kinetic energy by which they can do work. Okay? Moving objects having kinetic energy. Moving object having
kinetic energy.
If it is there, just imagine it is a bullet. Gun. Bullet. If I carry with my pocket, what will happen? What will happen? Nothing will happen. If we use in gun, what will happen? So it is depend upon, the energy will depend upon force or moving. How much it is moving? It is then costly, it has full energy. If it will go slowly, it have less energy. For example, you will throw one stone like this. What will happen? Nothing will happen. If you stone like this, it will happen. It will hurt others. Okay?